We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not receiving text messages. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you may be expecting an important message, so we've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, do just come into the Messages app in case it's come through and you didn't have a notification for it. If that's the case, you can drag down on the battery and make sure you go and turn off Do Not Disturb. That'll go and silence and hide notifications. Now, if it's still not shown here, what you want to do is open your control center by dragging down, find the airplane icon and go and tap on it. This enables airplane mode and leave it on for a few seconds until it back off, and this will go and refresh the connection. Go and see if the messages then come through. If that doesn't work, come out of messages. What you need to do is open up settings and you want to go down to the bottom and press search. Previously it was at the top of the settings, and then you want to go and type in messages and you can come to the app settings. Make sure iMessage is switched on, and you can also go and check the send and receive addresses. Make sure the phone number you want to receive the messages to is selected. If that still isn't working, then let's try doing a forced restart. Press the volume increase, then decrease, and hold down the side power button. Doing this will go and refresh things. Release the power button when you go and see the Apple icon. When it comes back on, hopefully it's now solved.